And the next sum. Right. A concave mirror has a focal length of. A concave mirror has a focal length of. A concave mirror has a focal length of. A concave mirror has a focal length of 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and an object 2 centimeter tall, and an object 2 centimeter tall, and an object 2 centimeter tall is placed 9 centimeter away from it. Is placed 9 centimeter away from it. Find the nature, position, and size of the image form. Find the nature, position, and size of the image form. Can anybody? What is the characteristics by reading the question? Can anybody say?
Sir, beyond C, sir. Beyond C.
Is that Nithinathan?
Sir,
Object is that?
sir, object is placed at 9 centimeters, sir.
So means the sense of what it is.
Sir,
Can anybody say?
magnified image, sir.
Magnified image. First location you check. Focal length is 4 centimeter, and object is
Sir,
9 centimeter. Means in the sense of
9 centimeters, sir.
means in the sense of what? Object is placed beyond the sea. So if we place the
Beyond
object
sea,
beyond
sir.
the sea, image will form between C and F. Is it yes or no? So what is the
Yes, sir.
characteristic of that? Anybody? Padmavarshini, Prahasini, Pranita, Yalini. So let it be. So let us start this question. I will teach you slowly. Observe very carefully, all of you. So observe here in this question. Still so many are not answering. So they have given that. Given. Can you able to say given, Nithinathan? Given.
Yes, sir.
Given.
Focal length is equal to minus 4 centimeters, sir.
Focal length is equals to minus
4 centimeters.
Prasni, now only you joined, correct? That is why I am saying it. So focal length is minus always for concave mirror. Concave mirror, focal length is minus. Do you understand, Prasni? Remember that. F is minus for concave mirror. Next, tell me, object distance.
Height of the
Sorry.
minus 9 centimeter. Minus 9 centimeter.
So object is always kept at left side, so that object is also minus 9 centimeter. Now, height of the object, how much it is?
2 centimeter.
So now, as I have taught you, what you have remembered, observe carefully, all of you. If you come to know the F, immediately what I have told you, you must come to know the 2F. So 2F is equal to how much, Ra? 2 into minus 4, which is
8.
equal to minus centimeter.
Minus 8. Minus 8.
That is what you should come to know that. So if 2F is equals to minus 8 centimeter, but object distance is minus 9 centimeter, it is more than C, means beyond the C is object placed. Which case, Ra? Which case? Check your 6 cases and tell me which case. Which case?
Sir, 5th case.
5th case. So what is the 5th case? Characteristics of the 5th case. Anybody? Dilipan, Arya, Prahasini.
Sir, diminished image.
Diminished image, that's all? Is it that's all? Anusri, Taranya Pushpa, Jesse? Is it that's all? Diminished image.
Sir, real and inverted and diminished image.
Between the smallest of the objects,
Image. That is what we
between
are.
focus and the center of curvature.
That is. Now let us check now. We'll see that either it is true or not. So now let us go for the answer. So if we'll take that, this is the given data. So what we should calculate now first here? We have to calculate the
Image distance.
So what is the formula? Tell me. What is the mirror formula? 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by V. Is it yes or no? Yes or no? So we want,
Yes.
we know F and we know V. So we want 1 by V. What is the formula? 1 by V is equals to
1 by f minus 1 by u.
1 by f minus 1 by u. So 1 by 1 should speak ra. Now Nityanathan, you speak this question. Next question, I'll go to next one. Like that only. If not, silent. Everybody is silent. I don't like this. Tell me next. 1 by v is equals to.
1 by v is equal to
1 by f
1 by minus 4, sir.
minus
Minus 4.
minus of 1 by u
Minus of minus 9.
9 centimeters.
9.
So now, that's all. So now you complete here. So 1 by v is equals to minus 1 by 4 and minus of minus how much? Minus of minus.
Plus.
Plus 1 by 9. So
Plus
now
1 by 9.
1 by 4 and 9. 4
Sir,
and
36.
36.
36.
So now
Yes, sir.
36 means how it will come? Tell me. Here.
Sir, minus 9 plus 4.
Minus 9 plus 4 will come. Understand? So 1 by v is equals to minus 9 plus 4 how much? Minus
Minus 5
Minus 5
by
v
36.
So
b equal to 36 by minus 36 by 5.
7.2 minus 7.2, sir.
and tell me how much?
Minus
Minus 7.2 centimeters.
centimeter.
So v is equals to negative. So in case of concave mirror, v is equals to negative means in the sense of virtual or real. It is
Real.
real image.
Real.
Understand?
And inverted.
Real image. So now we should find it is not end. We should find what also? We have to find the height of the
Height
image.
of the image.
So height of the image, if you want to find, you should know magnification first. So magnification is equals to minus of v by u. So now you check it. Minus of v equals to how much? Minus 7.2 divided by u is equals to minus 9. So minus minus will get cancelled. Do this division and tell me all of you. All of you do it. Minus 72 divided by 90, you take it. Do it and tell me how much it is. What is it?
Sir, 0.8.
Minus
0.8.
minus 0.8.
0.8.
Magnification. So m is equals to minus 0.8. Till here solve it all of you fastly. Till here you solve it. Nitinath. Till magnification, is there any doubt? Anybody you ask me? Prasini, if you have doubt, you please unmute yourself and you ask me. I will say you because your first time last classes you are not attended. Please try to watch that sign convention video alone at least. Later you can understand it. So this is called as mirror formula. 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by v. 1 by v plus 1 by u. And the magnification formula is minus of v by u. These two formulas at least you remember, Prasini. Is it complicated?
Minus 1.6.
Minus
1.6.
1.4. Pranita, okay. First you calculate till here. Any doubt you ask me.
Okay.
One by one you should speak. This question, Nitinath. After that I will give to some other. If absent, please make a call. Today Arvind also absent. Arvind absent, you leave the Dina. Except Dina, everybody should join. Make a call for them. Pass.
Sir, Aravind is not taking the call, sir.
Oh, okay. Arvind may be some problem. Remaining all, you see, Akshay is not there today. Anusri is there. Akshay is not there. Okay, till here is it completed?
Sir, I cannot see the board properly. So can you send a photo?
What happened? You solve your own. What happened? You cannot.
No, sir. Now only because of internet connection. Now I don't know the question even, sir. I was connecting, sir.
No problem. You leave it. Next question onwards you see. So nothing. They have given focal length is 4 centimeter. Object distance is 9 centimeter, and the image height of the object is 2 centimeter. You carry on from there. Do you know given data correct?
Okay, sir.
4, 9. Focal length is 4. Object distance is 9, and height of the object is 2 centimeter. Now Nityanathan, after this you tell me height of the image how we can calculate.
Sir, height of the object into magnification, sir.
Okay. The height of the image is equals to height of the magnification into height of the object. Do you understand? So that is
Okay,
what.
sir.
So
Magnification is equal to height of the
0.8 into 2 centimeter. So multiply this and tell me all of you. How much?
Minus 1.6 centimeter.
minus 1.6.
minus 1.6.
1.6 centimeter.
Height of the image is minus 1.6 centimeter. So as we know that height of the image is negative, means in the sense of it is what?
Inverted.
Real, inverted,
Inverted.
inverted, and it is what? Less than the height of the object. Is it yes or no? So it is what? Diminished image.
Diminished.
Diminished image. And what is the position of the image? Position between F and
Between
C and F.
C and F.
between F and 2F or C. Do it all of you. This is what you have to write at the end. Once if it is completed, you tell me. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you, fastly you should do. Next question. Next question I will give to, wait, one by one we will discuss. Next question, Nityanandan over, correct? Next question, Dilip, and you speak now. Hey, Dilip, are you there? Dilip will speak next question. Now, let us come to here. Next question, write the next question, all of you. Next question, right? When an object is placed 20 centimeter, when an object is placed 20 centimeter from a concave mirror, all of you write neatly. When an object is placed, when an object is placed 20 centimeter from a concave mirror, 20 centimeter from a concave.
Sir, away from a concave mirror or height, sir?
When an object is placed 20 centimeter from a concave mirror, from a concave mirror. Do you understand, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is from a
Yes,
concave,
sir.
comma, a real image, a real image, a real image magnified 3 times is formed. A real image magnified 3 times is formed. Nitish Kumar, are you writing, Nitish? A real image magnified 3 times is formed. A real image magnified 3 times is formed. Full stop. Find the focal length of the mirror. First one, Roman number 1. The focal length of the mirror. Find the focal length of the mirror. Next, second one. Find the focal length of the mirror. Next, second one. Second one. Where must the object, second one, Roman number 2. Where must the object be placed? Be placed. Ma call to Varshini Bensi, Akshaya and all. Varshini Bensi, Akshaya, then who is there? So many is there. Where must the object be placed? So to give a virtual image, 3 times the height of the object. 3 times the height of the object. So let us see this question who will say. First part Dilipan will say. Second part I will give to some other. First part Dilipan, can you able to say? First we should find the focal length. Can you able to say focal length? Dilipan, are you there?
So to give a virtual image 3 times, what should come?
Where we should place the object? gives it 3 times the height of the object. Virtual image 3 times the height of the object. Where must the object be placed to give a virtual image 3 times the height of the object? Is it okay, Padmavarshini? Adilipan, proceed. First question.
Yes, sir.
Roman number 1. This is one of the different question. Let me see. Same question having 2 parts. Is it understand? First time we should find focal length, and second time we should find, forget the new magnification, we should find the object distance. So let us see now how we need to do. All of you tell me first. Dilipan will say first. Dilipan, speak, yaar. Given. Speak loudly. Given. Given, tell me. What is this here? Pranav, can you able to speak? Dilipan is not speaking. Nitish? What is this? People are leaving from meeting. If I am calling, they are leaving from the meeting. Who is ready to say? Pranita?
Object distance is 20 centimeters, sir.
Object distance is?
20 centimeters, sir.
So object
Magnification is
What are you talking, Yalini? You are also not saying sign convention. Who will understand that?
Sir, minus 20, sir.
minus
Minus
20, sir. Minus
Minus 20 centimeter. Prahasini, always you remember, whatever it is, mirror or lens, doesn't matter. Object is placed at left side, so that object distance must be taken negative always. That is what you should remember. Understand? Next, object distance. Try to understand 1 or 2 questions after you can understand. So this is for Roman number 1. Now magnification equals to, they are saying that what?
3 times of
times.
the object
That's the
distance,
what
sir.
is
So,
real or virtual image?
real image.
Real image, sir.
Means
Real
magnification
image.
is what always? Negative or positive? That is what?
negative.
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 Negative. Negative.
Means always real image means magnification is negative. Real image means magnification is negative. That is what you should remember. So now, so as we know that magnification is equals to what? Minus of V by U, which is equals to minus 3. So now you can V is equals to, minus V is equals to minus 3 into U. So minus V is equals to minus 3U. So minus minus will get cancelled. V is equals to 3U. So as we know that V already we know. V equals to how much? V equals to how much? V equals to how much, Amma? 3 into minus
20.
So V is equals to how much? 3 2s are 60. Minus
60, sir. Minus 60 centimeters.
Do you understand this? You got it. All of you do understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But no response. Understanding. Now we should go for focal length. So we got minus 60 centimeter. So now you tell me. So what is the formula of focal length? Mirror image. Mirrors 1 by
1 by f is equal to
which is equal to. So 1 by f is equals to 1 by v. V means how much? Minus 60 plus 1 by u. U means how much? Minus 20.
Minus 20.
1 by f minus 1 by 60 plus into minus how much? Minus divided by 20, which is equals to 60 is the LCM. If we take 60 is the LCM, here how much will come? Minus 1, minus 3 will come. Is it yes or no, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So 1 by f
Yes, sir.
equals to
Minus 4
minus
by
3, minus 4 divided by 60, which is equals to, f is equals to, all of you solve it fast and tell me, minus 60 divided by 4 centimeter. So f is equals to how much?
Minus 15.
Huh? 4 ones are,
Minus 15.
4 ones are, 4 15s are, which is equals to minus 15.
minus 15, sir.
So this is what the f. All of you do it fast. So this is the first part. So now, for second part, let me see who will explain. Is there anybody second part who can explain? Is there anybody? At least read the question. Arya, you are only not. I am not hearing your voice. You tell me, Arya. Next second part. Second part, read the question, what they are saying. Now, 3 times real image they are saying. But second part, what we should get 3 times? Virtual image. Huh?
Virtual image, sir.
We want to get the 3 times virtual image. So that they are saying that where we should place the object. Means what is the object distance they are asking. But you know that, can anybody say that? Is it the focal length of the mirror is constant or varies every time? Is the focal length of the mirror is constant or
So
varies?
varies, sir. Varies.
Oh, Padmarsha, what are you talking? How the concave focal length will vary? Always the focal length of the lens is always constant. Focal length
Sir,
of the lens is
I'm
always
saying that
Ma?
20. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay,
Focal
sir.
length of the mirror will never change. Understanding? Focal length of the mirror will never change. That is what the point we should use here. So, if focal length is not never changed, so f is equals to what? Same length. F is equals to what?
Minus
F is equals to what?
Minus 15.
15 centimeter. Now they are saying that what? 3 times virtual image we should get. So what is the object distance they are saying? Is it first case is completed? Tell me. Jesse,
Yes, sir. Completed.
all of you. While I am solving,
Complete.
you need to solve along with me. Make a call to Varshini and Akshaya, those who are having numbers you have current in group, it is there. Why leave them? Everybody boys also in their absent, please make a call fastly. Now, let us see second part. Shall we go second part? Arya, communicate, man. Tell me, Arya.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Second part, what they have given. Always, you should remember always. So, from the first part, we are going to take focal length. So, you should write a statement, all of you. Focal length of a mirror is always constant. Focal length of a mirror is always constant. All of you should write. Focal length of a mirror is always constant. So, from the first part, f is equals to how much, Arya? F is equals to how much? F is
Minus 15.
Minus 15.
minus 15 centimeter. Now they are saying that we want to get a virtual 3 times, understanding? Virtual and 3 times magnified image.
3 times the height.
M is equals to virtual. Virtual means magnification is plus or minus?
Plus.
Virtual.
Plus.
It is
Plus.
plus. Understanding? Magnification is plus. So as we know that only we have one case, it will form virtual and magnified image. What is that? Can you able to say? When you place the object between F and
P and F.
P and F.
Sir, pole and focal length.
Yeah, first case. That is what you should remember. So now magnification is equals to, as we know, minus of V by U, which is equals to 3. Understand? Now minus V by U, which is equals to 3. So minus V is equals to 3U, or else V is equals to minus 3. Do you understand, Amma? All of you.
Yes, sir.
V is equals to minus 3U. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, first we should calculate image distance. Later you can calculate the object distance. That's all. So now let us see how it will come. So substitute, go for substitution. So 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Understand? So now 1 by F, F is equals to how much, Arya? F is equals to minus 15, which is
Minus 15.
1 by V is equals to how much? V is equals to how much?
Minus
Minus
3U.
Minus 3U. Understanding? Plus 1 by U. So that is, so minus 1 by 15, which is equals to, so minus 1 by 3U, and U is equals to U only. That is, now you see. So minus 1 by 15. LCM is how much? 3U and U. Arya, what is the LCM? Anusri. Arya, anybody? 3U and U, what is the LCM?
Sir, 3U.
3.
So here will come minus 1 plus 3 will come here. So that's all. So now you see. So minus 1 by 15, which is equals to minus 1 plus 3, how much, Amma? Minus 1 plus 3.
2, sir. 2.
Plus 2. So 2 divided by 3U. Now you do the cross multiplication. You will get it. So how much it will come? Minus 3U, which is equals to
Minus
15 into 2, which is equals to minus 3U, which is equals to 15 2 is how much?
30.
15 2
30.
30.
30.
So U is equals to how much? 30 divided by minus
30 divided by minus
3 tens are.
10.
So u is equals to minus 10
10.
centimeter. That's all.
10 centimeter.
If you want to get a virtual image 3 times magnified, so object should be placed at where? Object should be placed at minus 10 centimeter.
Minus 10 centimeter.
But they are not asking image distance here. If you want, you can calculate it. As we know that v is equals to how much? V is equals to minus 3 into u. So minus 3 into minus 10 centimeter.
Minus 10
Equals to minus into minus how much? Plus. So
plus.
centimeter. So is it yes or no? True or not? V is equals to
Yes.
positive. So image is forming behind the mirror. So that it is positive. Our answer is correct. Yes or no? Verification.
Sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
That is what you should say. So if you want to get a 3 times virtual image, magnified image, 3 times virtual and magnified image, we should place the object at where? 10 centimeter. So now you check it. Focal length is 15 centimeter, object is 10 centimeter. So that it is case is also matching or not? The case is matching
Yes.
or not? All of you.
Yes.
That is what
Yes, sir.
understanding. We need that is. So all of you remember that. Do it fast. Nitish, are you understand this question? Anusri? Okay, do it. Different questions, that is what we are saying. Understand? Next question. Pranita, next question. Can you explain next question, Pranita? Tarani Pushpa? If you are not speaking, then no use. Okay. Anybody you can speak. So okay, this is completed or not? If it is completed, you tell me. Do you understand, Arya? This is C. One question is some other question they are asking for the different case. But always you should remember one thing, understanding. So focal length of a mirror is always constant. For lens also that is. So one part is sub question. If they are asking some another question, by the time focal length is only constant. Object distance and image distance always will vary. That is what you should remember. So final statement you should write for this question. Final statement. So object should be placed. So object should be placed. So object should be placed 10 centimeter from the concave mirror. 10 centimeter from the concave mirror. This statement always carries mark. Without the statement, it is not at all. Half mark I will deduct. Everybody will deduct half mark for statement. That is what you should remember. Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Let me see next question. Who will say? Next question.
Sir.
Who is? Okay.
Sir.
If you are coming, not coming forward, what I will do, right?
Sir, should we not need to write the object distance, sir? Only the should not need to write the image distance, sir. Only the object distance is enough.
They are asking object distance alone, object is enough. Image distance they are not asking, but our verification we have done it because virtual image will form always behind the mirror, so that it must come positive. So that only we are doing that. That's all. Understanding? So now once again, because Prasini purpose I am saying, Prasini, if you will understand that 6 cases, please watch the videos. Here we are placing always the object, so that always object is placed at minus x coordinate. This is plus x coordinate. Graph paper Prasini, remember. And this is minus y and this is plus y. Understanding? So these are the 4 coordinates. So if object is placing here, always we will place the object here. So that is why object distance is always minus. And image is also forming here in the same coordinate. Then image distance is also minus. If image will form here, then image distance is alone positive. Like last question. Last question image is forming here because this image is called as virtual image. And the remaining all the cases, this is called as real image. So that
Real
is
image.
remember, Prasini. If it is forming the real image, image distance is negative. If it is forming virtual image distance is positive. That is what you remember. And if it comes to the magnification, m is equals to negative for real image, m is equals to positive for virtual image. That is what you should remember. As well as If it is a concave mirror, Prasini, concave mirror, understand? Then F is equals to negative. Remember that. If it is a convex mirror, mirrors alone I am saying, not the focal length. So convex mirror, F is equals to positive. Do you understand? So these are the things you should quickly recall and you have to remember it. Prasini. That is what. Write the next question, all of you. Write the next question. A dentist mirror, a dentist mirror, a dentist mirror, a dentist mirror has a radius of curvature, has a radius of curvature, a dentist mirror has a radius of curvature 3 centimeter. A dentist mirror has a radius of curvature 3 centimeter. Full stop. How far must it be placed? How far must it be placed? How far must it be placed? How far must it be placed from a small dental cavity? From a small dental cavity? From a small dental cavity to give a virtual image, to give a virtual image, small dental cavity to give a virtual image of the cavity, to give the virtual image, to give the virtual image of the cavity that is magnified 5 times, that is magnified 5 times, that is magnified 5 times. Can anybody able to say this one? Can be able to, what is the, can be magnified 5 times? Can able to say anybody? You have to come forward. I cannot say every time. Tarani Pushpa, Jesse, Pranita, anybody you can speak now. Dilipan, Anusri, Ashika.
Sir,
Yeah. They have given that here. Concave mirror. Understand it. And what is the radius of curvature they have given?
Sir, 3 centimeter.
3 centimeters.
Radius of curvature. Is it positive or minus? That is what I want. Positive.
Minus
or-
3.
Radius of curvature. It is negative. Because it is
Minus 3
concave
centimeters.
mirror. That is what you should remember. So R is equals to 2F. So R next F is equals to R by 2. So R is equals to minus 3 by 2, which is equals to F. So F is equals to what? Minus 1.
minus 1.5.
Is there any doubt, anybody? Any doubt,
No,
anybody?
sir.
Can ask me. Is it
No,
there?
sir.
No. So now, this is what the focal length. So on magnification, they have given what? Plus 5, plus 5. Because
Five.
like that, virtual. Is it a
Virtual image, sir.
So now, you see, so magnification is equals to minus of V by U, which is equals to 5. So minus V is equals to 5U and V is equals to minus 5U. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
All of you. If I doubt, you can ask me. Any doubt?
No.
Yes? So now, shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Find what it or not? V equals to minus 5U. So substitute. We want to find object distance. What is the formula? 1 by F is equals to
1 by F equal to 1 by
V
V
plus
plus V.
1 by U. 1 by F. F is equals to how much? Minus 1.5. Understanding? So now, V is equals to how much? Minus 5U.
Minus 5.
1 by U. So minus 1 by 1.5, which is equals to minus 1 by 5U plus 1 by U. What is LCM? U and 5U.
5 use.
5U is the 5U is the LCM. What about others? Why can't you speak? So that is so minus 1 by 1.5, which is equals to minus 1 plus 4 plus 5. How much? How much?
4.
So do the cross multiplication now. So which will come? minus 5u, which is equals to 4 into 1.5. So 4 into 1.5, how much?
60.
4 into 1.5. Minus.
Minus.
No. Plus only. So for how much, Ra? 6. Is it yes or no?
6, sir. 6, sir.
So that is. So u is equals to 6 divided by minus 5. Please all of you do this division and tell me how much.
Minus 1.2 centimeter.
Minus
1.2
2
centimeter.
centimeter. That's all. So if you want to get 5 times magnified image, we have to place the dentist mirror at where? 1.2 centimeters. That is what? From where? From the dental cavity. All of you should write. U is equals to minus 1.2 centimeter. Do you understand? Is there any doubt? Anybody who ask me, please. Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you.